What's going on, everybody? Josh up here with Lebanon Ford Performance, here with a brand new special for July and August. Those are truck months here at Lebanon Ford and for Ford Motor Company. So this season we're talking specifically about Roush trucks. So we're going to drop 3 awesome promos here from not only Roush trucks, but including also in Roush Mustang, F150, Super Duty, and Mustang GT. Anything Roush serialized, you're gonna get some awesome specials, so check out each one. So the first promo I'm gonna share with you is based on ROUSH 250s, ROUSH Super Duties in general. So we have 4 in stock currently, and this one is an agate black 2019 F250 with the layered sport package, so you get the blacked out badging, blacked out headlights, paint match bumpers. It's a full chrome delete essentially. It does have the stationary running boards and does have the standard halogens rather than the LEDs. But on ROUSH Super Duties in stock, you're gonna get free shipping to you, no matter where you are in the country. You buy a ROUSH F250 from Lebanon Ford in Cincinnati, Ohio, we'll ship it to your door anywhere in the continental United States. All right, our next promo is probably the biggest that we're gonna do for this quarter, maybe the rest of the year. I'm gonna show you another vehicle here. This is a 2019 F150 ROUSH Off-Road. This is a Lariat with a 502A package in magnetic. The promo for in-stock ROUSH Off-Roads, we have 6 between here and our other stores, 3 more in transit. From now until the end of August, if you purchase an in-stock ROUSH Off-Road F150, they're all 5-liter engines, we will supercharge that vehicle for free. So go online, see our internet price, purchase it at that price, get a $9,400 supercharger install at no cost. So that is a massive deal. We only have done that one other time in existence. It was on a Roush jackhammer. The vehicle sold in 24 hours. So if you're looking for a supercharged off-road F-150, now is the time. All right, and our third and final promo is on the Roush Stage 3. I have 2 2019 401 and a 400A automatic Stage 3s in stock. This one sitting next to me is Oxford White. This is every available option I can throw at the car. Our promo on in-stock Stage 3s, purchase it for the internet price, not only have it shipped and closed to your door, fully insured, but we'll also install a lifetime coat of Ceramic Pro, a $1,900 value, completely free, no questions asked, put it on a trailer, and send it to you anywhere in the continental 48 states. Give us a call, visit us at LebanonFordPerformance.com. I don't imagine these vehicles are gonna last much longer given these promos, so check them out. They're amazing vehicles. I'm a huge Roush fan, and you too could be a Roush owner. See you soon.